Good morning, my dear students. I am Nirmal Raj, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore 1. Today, going to discuss about Indian economy. In this video, in Indian economy, IT industries in India. IT industry in India. For more notes and topics, visit content, introductions, categories, growth, recession, success mentor, top IT comes, top 5 IT companies, web session area, website for acquirements, finally conclusions. Introductions, two words makes of words ITs. Information technology. The IT industry software industries are mostly recent developed industries of country and popularly is known infotech industry. Now India is playing major role in promotion, development, infotech throughout the world. Today the history of repeaters in India, early days India leads to world on basis knowledge. Presently young Indian entrepreneurs are the infotechs of infotech revolutions. Whereas Silicon Valley, Bangalore and Hyderabad, they have provide idea, knowledge, entrepreneur, technology, the company needs. The Indian expected captures about 5% of the $508 billion global information technology software market within 3 years, taking turnover to 30 billions. There are sector generators increasing revenue of 5.7 billions in 1999 when compared to 2020s especially. Then 220 billions 1992 were several shortage IT professionals, reason advantage in the telecommunications, low cost, high skill resources in India will receive continued attention from US IT companies. There will be increasing focus and cost in coming years especially. No industries in India recorded high growth rate of overcoming opportunities to employment in order related to revenue. Total of employment generated in IT sector enabled to service in India increasing from 1.06.500 in 2001 to 2002, 2.45.500 in 2003 to 2004. Total amount revenue generated increasing from US 1,475 millions in 2001 to 2002, 3.500 millions 2003 to 2004, nearly 4% of GDP of the economy contributed by those sectors. Unemployment of IT professionals in the world crossed 10 lakhs 2004 to software export sectors requiring around for 3.45 lakhs. Software domestic sector employing 30,000 personnel and software hardware compared to requirements increasing 3.22 lakhs. IT sector largest employment generated softwares around 3.408 lakhs in 2004 to 2005. Another, the informations mean useful data can be understandable by computer and also can be single characters or a group of characters but having some meanings. Technology is the making, usage, knowledge, tools, machine, techniques, crafts, systems or methods of organization in order to solve problems or performance of specific functions. Continue. Thus, IT refers to anything related to computing technology such as networking, hardware, software, internet, or the people that work with those technologies. Categories of IT industries. This is different categories: IT services, IT enabled to services, software services, Finally, hardware services. IT services. The IT services including client, server and web based on services. Another consulting services, management services, internet services. IT enabled to service. The service which makes extensive use information and telecommunication and technology are categories as IT enabled to services. And the business process outsourcing BOP. Software services. May software services may be defined as the employment of IT professionals across 10 lakhs to 2004 to 2005. Software export sector resulting around 3.45 lakhs. Domestic sectors employing 30,000 personnel and software hardware comparative staff requirement increasing to 3.20 lakhs. IT sectors would be largest employment generated starting around for 3.40 lakhs in 2004 to 2005. Today, a largest of foreign affiliates operate to IT-enabled service India. The different sector lines IT-enabled to service of starters Indian including customer care, finance, human resources, billing and payment services, administrations and consent development, IT enabled to services, India emerging the most performance designations and business outcomes and also other activities. Task Force IT software developments, especially in the May 22, 1998 Task Force set up under chairmanship of Deputy Chairman Planning Commission. Task Force submitted to IT Actions Plan comparing 108 recommendations July 1998. In recommendations have since been notified and also other activities. The new Minister of Information Technology has set up the Governments of India October 1999 model agencies facilitating incentive central governments and state governments, academic and private sectors, successful India professionals abroad. The plan sets make India superpowers and the first century for achieving target of 50 million software export from 2008. Tally softwares, hardware or softwares. Indian hardware softwares. Software programs, translate systems, human logins into electronics implies industry emerging as one of the fastest growing sectors of the economy. While potential for expansion strengthens of the country about technical manpower skill development recognized to India accommodates growth 60% productions for increasing export by 70% of 1997 to 98 target of exports and also topest services sectors. Growth. The software Indian has growing almost double rate for USA software sectors. According to NASCOM, software export from India IT industry likely for is 50 billion to USD dollar at the 2001. The Indian envelope from softwaring, soft developments, integrations, business consulting, Indian industry for move further, chain concern specific enabled to services. IT enabled to services. The gross broader IT enabled to services function service that are providing from a country different from one whether to product and developed by those deliveries, telecommunications, data, network. There are three facts for the dividing growth to enable to services. One, applications, outsourcing and wide webs, especially three important resources. Technology of modernization. Growth of continue. Major decisions. There are periods of temporary economic declines during which trade and industrial activities are reduced, generally identify fall in GDP success growth. Indicators of recessions process, GDP, unemployment, corporate injuries and also etc. Recessions recovery, The IT sectors where should be corrections in the salary offerings rather job cuttings. Tax including excessive duty and custom duty should be reducing to highlights advice affect economic growth on the various sector. Success manners. Cheap skill software professional reduced telecommunications and internet cost advantage. This is project leaders, business analysis, system analysis, test engineering, network analysis, or etc. This is USA, Canada, UK, different countries. Top IT cup in India. Number 1 Bangalore, number 2 Chennai, number 3 Hyderabad, number 4 Pune, number 5 NCR, number 6 Mumbai, number 7 Kolkata, number 8 Thiruvananthapuram, and also number 9 Bhubaneswar, and finally 10 Jaipur. Top IT companies in India. TCS Tata Consulting Services Limited. Second, Infodis Technologies Limited, Wipro Technologies Limited, Mahindra System Computer Services Limited, HDL Technology Systems. Tata Consulting Services. Slogans beyond the voice. TCS was founded in 1968. Key people, Tata Chairman's website www.tcs.coms and also etc. Infosys Technology Limited. This is different key. KV, Kamada Chairmans, Krish, Gopalakrishnan, Co-Chairmans, and also etc. Wipro Technology Limited. Slogan supplying through starters, amazing hands. Having employment more than 1224385 peoples worldwide for March 2011. People's Amaze Hamshans, Jim Chairmans, and also our score of jobs in area. Then 3D admins, graphic, and also customer care executive, databases administration, network engineering. This is different job profiles, and also continue for job profile, program software developers, testers, sales executive, web designers. Professional qualifications: MCA, BTech Computer Science, MSc and also Tasters, BE, BTech Electronics Communication, Computer Science, MBA, Salary Marketing, and also Web Designer, MSc MCA, Certification Specific Language. Website for the requirements: www.placements and also comes, and also www.hirefire and come in, and also other websites. Conclusions: very good future prospects. IT is one of the going requirement for every nation's opportunity for investors, entrepreneurs, and the youth, and continue growth for years. Thank you for watching.